Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher at the International Knowledge School. Today, as usual, we'll go through the workbook and answer the last questions from the last episode, and then we'll move on and pick up where we left off from the language book. So let's go ahead and open page 40. Oops. Okay, got my pencil. So page 40 again. Sorry about that. Okay, so page 40. Trace the words, match each thing to its materials. Draw lines. So first let's match the words. Let's trace the words. So this one is wood. Okay, this one is, let's see. Metal. This one is glass. This one is plastic. Okay, now you have to match them with the pictures on the right. So which one is wood? This one, D. D is wood. Metal. Glass. And plastic. I'll go for plastic this way. Okay, so that's wood, metal, glass, plastic. Draw something made from clay, draw something made from cotton. Now, from clay, I'm going to draw, actually didn't do this as homework, but we can do it now. I'm going to draw a vase. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. It's a vase made of clay. Cotton, well, clothes are made of cotton, so a shirt can be made of cotton. So here's a shirt. This is a shirt made of cotton. Okay, so these are two things that are made of, one made of clay and one is made of cotton. Okay, now I think we've done this before, the hard, strong, heavy, and weak, but let's check. If we did, we'll go over it now. We did. So let's do these, let's answer these questions now. So metal is weak, true or false? Is metal weak? No, metal is very hard and strong. Glass is smooth. Is it smooth or rough? It's very smooth. Stone is soft. Stone is the opposite of glass, because glass is rough while stone is hard and rough. So how can you say it's soft? No, it's not soft. False. Leather is heavy. No, it depends on what you make with it, but usually it's like cotton, and clothes aren't that heavy, so no. Okay, so metal is weak. False. Glass is smooth. True. Stone is soft. No. Clay is soft. Leather is heavy. No. Okay, trace the words, join the opposites, draw lines. So first let's trace the words and then we will match the opposites together. So hard, strong, heavy, A-V-Y, light, soft, weak, and we're done. Okay, now we have to match the opposites. Hard is the opposite of weak. Or no. Hard is the opposite of soft. Strong is the opposite of weak. Heavy is the opposite of light. Okay, so hard is the opposite of soft. Strong is the opposite of weak. Heavy is the opposite of light. Okay, so these are the answers to the workbook questions. You can copy them now if you haven't already, and then we can move on to the language book. Alright, so let's close the workbook. And let's go to the language book, to where we stopped. Now we stopped here the last time. A quick review of what we've just done. We already did it in the workbook, but we can do it very quickly again. We make things from materials. So we make things from things like wood, metal, plastic, brick, cloth, clay, and leather. We use these materials to make different things like tables, cooking pans, clothes, shoes, vases, and containers. Okay, now different materials have different properties. Okay, properties are like something weak, strong, hard, soft, smooth, rough. So you can say something is hard, something is weak, something is strong, something is soft. Okay, so metal, for example, is strong. Paper is the opposite, which is weak. Clay is soft, while stone is hard. Brick is rough, while glass is smooth. So these are different properties that different materials have. Okay, grass is light, stone is heavy. So you can carry you can carry grass easily, but it's hard to carry a heavy stone. Okay, now here, make a collection of materials. Sort your materials into sets: heavy or light, rough or smooth, strong or weak, hard or soft. So you can put them into two different categories, and these two, but they have to be opposites of each other. Okay, now here, check your progress. Copy and complete with 3 of the keywords. So the keywords are materials, properties, strong, and weak. Wood and metal are different materials. Remember, materials are things like materials are things like wood, metal, plastic, brick, cloth, clay, and leather. All of these are materials, and wood and metal are different materials. Materials have different properties. Okay, so properties are things like strong, weak, soft, hard, rough, smooth, heavy, and light. All of these are properties. Metal is a strong material. And the opposite of strong is weak. Paper is weak. Name some of the things made from wood, metal, plastic, glass, and stone. We can just draw a line here, and we can write what they're made of. Made of wood, pencil. A pencil is made of wood, usually. Metal, car. Car is made of metal. Plastic, toys. A lot of toys are made of plastic. Glass, windows. Stone, what is made of stone? Bricks are sometimes made of stone. Bricks. Okay, or walls. Brick is meant as okay, bricks, walls. Sometimes these two are made of stone, compressed stone that is much harder than the normal stone that we have. Okay, so wood, pencil, metal, car, plastic, toys, glass window, stone walls, or stone wall. That works as well. Okay, so here we studied properties and different materials and what we make using them. Now here we're going to go through using materials, and we already have an episode regarding that. Make sure to check it out, and let me know if you have any questions regarding it. Now we can go ahead to the workbook again and answer the rest of the questions that we have here. So we can say that we finished up to now, finished the revision up to now. Okay, so these are the last 2 pages that we have. Okay, make a materials collection in a matchbox. So you have bread, stamp, piece of cotton, marble, and paperclip. How many different materials can you fit inside? Let's see. I'm sorry, at a speed. So here we can fit many things inside a matchbox. Paper, cotton, marble, metal, and here plastic. The bead is made of plastic sometimes, or stone, both. So we can, how many materials do we have? Well, each object is a different material. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just fit 5 different materials inside this box. You can make your own box, and you can put many different things in it, and you can call it your own matchbox with different materials that have different properties. Okay, what properties do these materials have? Tick the boxes. The first has been done for you. Okay, paper is light, weak, and smooth. Stone is heavy, strong, and rough. Okay, so that's what it is. Glass is neither light or heavy. It depends on the size, but we can say glass is light, weak, and smooth. Steel is heavy, strong, and smooth for the most part. Okay? Wood is heavy, strong, and usually rough. Well, not always, but if it isn't made in a factory, it is usually rough. Okay? So the paper is light, weak, and smooth. Stone is heavy, strong, and rough. Glass is light, weak, and smooth. Steel is heavy, strong, and smooth. Wood is heavy, strong, and if it's made in a factory, it's very smooth. But out in the nature, it's kind of rough. If you touch it, it's kind of, you feel like it's the same as a stone. It's rough. It's not smooth to touch. Okay. Finish the names of different materials in the boxes. Add materials if you can. So here we have strong materials like metal. Here, stone. Weak materials like paper and glass. Heavy materials like stone and clay. Light materials like plastic I think there's a mistake here. Let's see. Let's look for plastic. Should be only 2 gaps, but let's see how they write it here. See, plastic. The L is there. Yeah, there's a mistake here. It's only KS plastic and then wood. Okay, so light materials are like plastic and wood. Okay, this is a name poem. Write poems like this made about other materials. Things made from wood. Hold on. So we have to read this like a poem first. Okay, so things made from metal. Made from metal are strong and last long. So here we have to write 1 using wood and stone. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'll give you a minute, try to figure one out on your own, and then I'll play the video again and we can create one together. Okay, so here we have wood. So wood is good. found in the woods. Don't have space, but okay, wait. Let me just erase that first. I need to give it more space. Found in the woods. We use it to make no space again. Let's just say use to make goods. Use to make goods. Alright, I'll write it again so it says clearer. Use to make goods. Just like anything that you can write about it. Stone. Let me think about this for a minute. I don't know. Stone. Stone is tough. Tough is the same as strong. Is tough. And let's see. Stone is tough. I'll write this here. Tough and good. Or tough and strong. Tough and strong. Oops, strong. We need it to make everything. It's not the best, but this is just an idea. So wood is good, found in the woods, used to make goods. Stone is tough and strong. We need it to make everything. It's not very good, but it just explains the general idea of what stone, wood, and metals are. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. A quick review is that we compare different materials using different words like hard, light, strong, soft, heavy, and weak. We have different materials like wood, metal, and plastic, glass and plastic, and we use these to make different things for our houses, ourselves, and many different things. Remember to take care of your body because it's precious. One way to take care of your body is to wash your teeth and keep yourself clean. Wash your hands and clip your nails. Wash your hands before and after all of these activities so that you make sure you don't get sick and get people around you sick as well. And it's very important to keep yourself healthy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you actually this is the last lesson with the curriculum. So this is the last video for the curriculum. Hopefully there will be a few other revision lessons for the entire series that we've done online. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.